Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit. Welcome to my somewhat less messy garage. Getting ready for actually the contractor to come over on this rainy day. We're getting ready to put in that unit. I think we're going to put it up on the wall here. I'm not sure the heater, air conditioner, the mini split unit. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. But yeah, we're going to be putting floors down. You guys probably saw my update video. But today I want to answer a viewer question from my garage. And I got a question on YouTube asking, Steve, what else can you flip? We know you flip items from eBay to Amazon. We know you do a lot of books and you do DVDs and CDs. But what else can you flip to then, sell on Amazon? We know thrift stores are great and garage sales and yard sales and auctions. But what if you want to be able to source from home? And maybe you don't want to go into just traditional online arbitrage, like going after highly competitive items that maybe everyone else can go after. And you like the idea of thrifting, but you also want to do it from home. So eBay to Amazon's great. And there's a lot of items that I could flip and that I do flip. Matter of fact, yesterday we shipped out $8,900 worth of profit in these boxes, believe it or not. And that's gross profit. But that does include Amazon fees. That includes labor. There's just a couple other expenses that obviously aren't involved in that. But 8,900 gross profit, 429 items. So what else can you flip, right? So you can flip board games. I love flipping board games. Board games are high margin. They turn quick, and they're evergreen. You can flip tools. I've been flipping brands like Milwaukee, Klein. What's that other brand that starts with an R? I forget. But there's a lot of tools you can flip from eBay to Amazon. I flip mostly new items. I know there's obviously some risks involved with flipping new and not having invoices. My account health is 100% perfect. I have zero all across the board. Can't say that it's always going to be like that. There could be a day where I come and I say, hey guys, Rake and Profit here with a banned or suspended account. But I take a lot of precautions, and that's what I talk about in my eBay to Amazon masterclass. So I'll put that down below for anyone interested. But it's not a business, like flipping from eBay to Amazon isn't a business a brand new beginner should start. Start with books, start thrifting, garage sales, auctions. Start that method and those sourcing methods because you could buy items a lot cheaper and you're not going to have as much risk. But you could flip video games. You could flip clothing. You can flip supplements, health and beauty items. There's so many items. Like there's no category I would say that's really off limit. I would just say that there's definitely more risks involved when you're dealing with, like health and beauty and supplements, anything, topical or whatnot. There's just risks involved. So hopefully you've got yourself some general liability insurance, which Amazon does require if you're selling, I think, over 10,000 a month. Cost me like $50 a month for $1 million in liability insurance. But yeah, got a viewer question asking, Steve, what else can you flip? Is DVDs and CDs the only thing you can flip? We know you flipped 5,000 from eBay to Amazon Plus last year, and the opportunities are endless. You can flip any category. I would start with books and DVDs and CDs, get ungated. I would 100% go through my masterclass because you may think, oh, flipping eBay to Amazon is easy. It's just, I'm just going to use, some sourcing software and bada bing, bada boom, the profits are coming soon. And you certainly can, but this topic of flipping from eBay to Amazon goes a lot deeper than what a lot of you guys probably realize. And for the folks in my masterclass or in my mentorship, how deep this goes. And the only reason I was able to get so many items shipped out yesterday is because a lot of the stuff that I teach and a lot of the methods and my E2A spreadsheet that I use is huge, but there's a method to the madness with sourcing, with virtual assistants, with a team, with the processes. So, yeah, look at the mess over here. This is literally just trash from unboxing everything yesterday. That's one of the downsides of this business. You have a lot of trash. So thanks to my buddy Zach, my videographer, who lets me use his family's trash unit at their place. They own a bike shop, so I get to go drop all that stuff off because my bins definitely don't hold that. But yeah, just want to come to you guys with this video. Literally, the opportunities are endless. Start with CDs, DVDs, and books. Expand out, tools, video games, board games, get ungated. With that being said, much love, and I am super pumped up to get this unit installed so we can start working out of here, get the floors ready, paint. I'm pumped, guys. I'll keep you posted. Have a great week and much love.